Happy St. Patrick's Day! The first things that come to mind are beer and Irish soda bread. And while I know someone that makes the most amazing Irish soda bread, she's keeping that a family secret. But we have a few recipes on our blog to choose from, all with caraway seeds, raisins, buttermilk. We've got you covered. As for beer, I've walked through St. James Gate and have had a Guinness in Ireland. It is a St. Pat's Day staple. If you aren't much of a beer person, you can always have an Irish coffee and add in some Baileys. For a healthy Irish meal, the famed corned beef and cabbage is the most notorious. I'm not a huge fan, so I'll likely go with steak and potatoes or shepherd's pie. We try to stay away from foods that are dyed different colors, in this instance, green. So try to stick with foods that are already green to stay festive, like broccoli, avocado hummus, peas, spinach, pesto, all of that good stuff. You can create some sort of fun Irish meal. And you can visit us at foodfacts.com, follow us on Twitter, and friend us on Facebook for more St. Patrick's Day goodies.